Welcome back. Today's finally the day. It is going to get sanded what we were last working on. So what we last did was just fill in some pinholes. I redid this edge right here. Some little pinholes. It is going to get sanded down. This will be polished and compounded today, and it is going to be a completed Fender and on the car. So without further ado, let's do it.
I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, call my name, you understand, I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, come on, please. You understand, I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Pull me back, take my hand, call my name, you understand, I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck. Put me away, you understand. There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, come on, you understand, I wanna stay.
So it is completed now. We hit it with some heavy cut compound. Shout out to Bobby for letting me borrow it. And then I went over it with some fine cut on a DA. I hit it with the rotary and the DA just to make sure I can take out whatever swirls and whatever little sand scratches are in there. But this is now how we are looking. Let me open this a little bit so you can get some sun on it, so you can see what it looks like in the sun. So this is now how it looks. It really is so crazy. For everyone that has tuned in to watching this little build series, I want to thank you so much for watching, because it really does mean a lot to me that people enjoy some of the custom work that I'm going to start to do. So this is the beginning of what I'm going to start on, and then I have to do the other Fender, and there's going to be a whole bunch of other stuff that I'm going to be doing to this entire car here, such as some of the interior, which I have for the most part completed. I am waiting on some more fabric to do the quarters. Everything else so far has been upholstered, which has taken an incredible amount of time. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.